Here we see Taji in his natural habitat, grabbing
Bubble mailers.
If it fits in the bubble mailer, it will go in a bubble mailer. That's
right.
what Jerry Bear says.
Jerry knows best when it comes to packing.
He does. We never get returns or anything when Jerry Bear. Look at Taji inspecting this disc. Wow.
Oh
Wow.
my God! Wow.
Wow. Make sure, you come visit our wonderful eBay page or stuff in the store, and you can see all your beautiful games getting packed. Seth, Maximum Adidas, is over there cleaning stuff. Exactly. Wow. Anywho, we appreciate you stopping by, watching Taji and Seth in their natural habitat, packing, putting labels on stuff, writing names, putting stuff in their shirts. Who knows? Till next time. We'll see you then.